Hello and welcome everybody to another video. So assuming you already know how to create virtual environment on Python, which is very easy, I have another video just for that. Or you can just follow the one on my screen right now. So basically you are creating the virtual environment directory, and from there you just activate that. So what is virtual environment is to basically a way to separate the libraries that you will use in your new project so you don't get mixed up with other projects. So you might encounter this problem when you create a Python installer, which is the EXE file on your Windows. You might see that the file size is very big, and most probably this is because you are using the main Python installer on your Windows instead of the one that is packaged in the virtual environment. So how do you debug this? So let's just simulate this situation. Previously I have created this Python installer file, the EXE for my project, and the file size is 750 megabytes. So how do you actually know that this executable is based on your main Python installation on your Windows? So you can do these commands. Where Python is to check where is your Python installation directory. So in where Python, you are going to see several Python installation in your Windows. The priority is the first one. So the first one right there is the one that is located in my virtual environment, and towards the last one it is the other Pythons that is installed on my Windows. So I'm not worried about the Python because it's picking up the one in venv correctly. Second is where pip, it basically will be created when you create the virtual environment, so I'm not worried about that either because it's picking up the one in virtual environment. But what I'm worried about is the Python installer, the py installer, which is located in the main Python directory on my Windows. So how I'm going to fix it actually is very simple. What you need to do is just pip install PyInstallers to make sure that you are actually creating the PyInstaller inside the virtual environment as well. Now if you run where PyInstaller, you will see that the first one there is the one in venv, which is correct already. Now what you need to do is just rerun the PyInstaller, and you'll be making a new fresh Python executable based on the libraries that is located in your virtual environment only instead of the main Python installation directory. And now you can see that the file size is already going down to 150 megabytes instead of 750. That is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.